Oh bloody
D. Was she a whore before?
What a slut.
Oh blood da.
कर लो जो भी करना है.
गुस्से में क्यों बोल रहा है यार हमें? हम तेरे शो पे ही आए हैं.
Oh blood do.
What do we think about Antariksh is the question.
We love
you. Oh God. Why did you let us look at that Anil Kapoor picture a little bit more? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just send that to me on WhatsApp.
Yeah, sorry.
Listen, I love this show. Oh God. This episode is epic.
Ibrahim Ali Khan has a lisp. Ibrahim DMs the Pakistani reviewer.
Oh God.
And not just like, oh dude, you shouldn't have said this. No, abe sale bhadwe.
No, he said, "Abey sale badwe." He had a lisp in Kamine.
Another thing that left Shahid Kapoor for Saif Ali Khan. The lisp.
Kamine. This episode is epic. It's reel after reel. We should kiss.
Again, I can't say no to that. The one reel that comes out of this episode.
Epic.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Film Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you figure out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny, extremely funny stand-up comedians. They're touring the country, they're touring the world. First up, we have Sumaira Sheikh!
ये आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर और उरूज को तो मैं हरा ही दूंगी मैं क्योंकि
Wow.
उरूज तो दुबई रिटर्न्ड है.
क्या लिख के लाए हो? और joining us is Uruj Ashfaq!
सुमेरा को तो मैं हरा ही दूंगी क्योंकि सुमेरा डोंगरी से आई है. सर दुबई ओनली.
Dongri to Dubai.
Oh yes, we're touring to Dubai. Yes.
Okay, welcome. Thank you so much for doing this, guys. Sumaira, welcome back to the show. Uruj, your first time. Excited? Yes. What's your strategy of beating or competing against Sumaira today?
Honestly, I'm very nervous and I'm hoping Sumaira will have mercy on me. That's my strategy.
Oh, she takes a few extra seconds before answering. Sumaira's acting's gonna come into play today.
Yeah.
She's like, yeah, what is the answer to this question? She knows it,
No,
but she's still
I'm
thinking.
terrible actually. Always ये हुआ है अंतरिक्ष. You remember कि
Sure.
मेरे साथ कोई expert होता है and then I confuse them.
Yeah,
That's my strategy.
that's smart.
That's a good one.
But I think Uruj actually pretends कि उसको कुछ नहीं आता, but उसको बहुत आता है. Like
She's like that scholar who
Yeah.
sleeps at 10 p.m. at night
Look
and
at
still
her.
gets.
Her playlist is full. हमको दीवाना कर गए.
Oh, great! Oh, dude.
I told you that in confidence.
Oh man, that's a very underrated movie, I would say, with an extremely even more underrated album.
Yeah.
It's
I was
amazing.
listening to
For your eyes only, that one? Yeah, for your eyes only. Yes. Isn't there one more Bipasha song in that movie? It's really good. I'm forgetting right now. But yeah, it's good. मैं तेरा नहीं, that's not from this. Sorry, that's a different one.
Ajab Premi
Ajab Premi
Gazab
Gazab. Sorry.
See? No.
Yeah, that was a test, and you got it.
Ajab Premi
Yeah.
Gazab कहानी.
हमको दीवाना कर गया, a movie with 2 title tracks, by the way.
Yeah.
One is the हमको दीवाना कर गए. That one, and one is the हमको दीवाना कर गए. हमको दीवाना. Okay, चलो, it's gonna become a singing show. That's what.
तुझे बस गाना था ये.
Yeah, I know. I want to show I can do Himesh impressions. All right. Welcome. Thank you.
Yes.
Welcome, guys. What would you say is the most recent Hindi Bollywood film that you've seen? In theaters, preferably, but otherwise on Netflix and all also good, of course.
Oh, in theaters, the last movie. Is this Bollywood? All we imagine as light?
Yeah.
Because French people are sponsoring it. It's like a festival film, and she won a lot of
Oh.
awards
Yes,
for
yeah,
it
yeah.
at all the
shit.
circuits.
Yeah,
It's a good movie. Payal Kapadia.
They went to the Oscars, no?
Is
But
it-
they didn't win.
No, Lapata
Nominated,
Ladies
but didn't
went
win.
to the Oscars.
Oh, Lapata Lady.
But I
Now it was
think
excellent, yeah.
All We Imagine as Light was in the running.
Was it? Okay.
But okay, see, this is what I saw in the theaters. I would highly recommend it. But what I saw was when I turned my TV on, Samsung Plus has a movie club as a channel. So I saw Bhagam Bhag in the morning.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Again, awesome. Bhagam Bhag is great, a classic.
Yeah.
Again, I think I've talked about every time we bring up Bhagam Bhag. My favorite track in the movie is the misunderstanding between the gangster thinking that Paresh Rawal and gang are after him. Okay, and Paresh Rawal and gang have no idea who he is. But every time he's about to carry on, some deal is gonna happen, some heist is gonna happen, and they see him he sees Paresh Rawal from a distance and starts running away. Again, Paresh Rawal has no idea. It's one of the funniest things, dude. Yeah, Bhagam Bhag is epic.
Bhagam Bhag
It's
is
epic.
very good. I watched Nadanya recently.
I'm sorry for you. Sorry for your loss.
And it's quite something. Like
Yeah.
पहले मुझे लगा
It's a great Instagram reel that lasts for 2.5 hours.
It is true. And मुझे पहले लगा कि मैं मेरे लैपटॉप में खराबी है, like sound wise. And I kept like trying to understand headphone खराब है but it was just the dubbing.
Yeah.
They have dubbed
Oh,
their
so then,
voice.
okay. Do you guys know about this whole dubbing thing that has happened?
No.
With Abraham Ali Khan? Okay, quick then tangent, okay. Abraham Ali Khan ka voice has been dubbed. Turns out not by him.
What?
This is by another actor because turns out Ibrahim Ali Khan has a lisp that he doesn't want the people to know about.
Whoa.
Okay, so he had before they did a test screening for the film
What you are telling him?
yeah, this is all Bolly blinds and gossips, guys.
What does he want
This
people
is
to know?
Insta Bollywood gossip. No, but it gets better. See, I'll tell you. Okay? So his acting is being like globally panned, like universally panned
Yeah,
in
now
this movie.
let's come for his lisp, right?
Yes, everything. Let's go after. Hey, what? Are we feeling bad for like a fucking crorepati? Like, is it really?
He's cute.
No,
He's
for how
too
long?
young.
For how long? So then, this happens. Okay, they did a test screening before releasing the movie. They did a test screening for the families of the actors and all. Saif hated the movie apparently. This is again all polyplans. How would I know this? I have no idea, no way of knowing. Saif hated the movie. He said, "Dude, your acting sucks." He went up to Karan. Karan got into a discussion also to say, "Hey, we should reshoot some of these parts." But Ibrahim threw a tantrum fit, saying, "No, not happening. I love my work. I'm the best. Fuck you guys. Whatever." Okay. So he didn't reshoot. Okay. That's why. So that's the result of what we see. The movie comes out. Fucking everyone hates it. Did anyone here watch it? Yeah. Okay. Again, sorry for your loss. Whatever. So the movie comes out. This Pakistani reviewer sitting in the UK, based out of the UK, watches this movie, hates it also. Okay, writes a review of it, just panning Ibrahim's acting. Ibrahim calls him, I don't know, maybe he called Ibrahim ugly or something because Ibrahim was really pissed. Okay, because Ibrahim DMs the guy. DMs the Pakistani reviewer.
Oh God.
And not just like, oh dude, you shouldn't have said this. No, abe साले भड़वे. तेरे को देख लूंगा मैं.
There's
अबे
no-
तू तेरा नाम है, just तेरा नाम.
No, he said, "Abe sale badve."
That was dubbed.
Excellent. Wow. He said, who's making one of the list now? Damn it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll have that. Oh my god. So, turns out the Pakistani reviewer's name is something called Tamur.
Oh my god.
Okay? So Ibrahim replies to him, "Oh, tera naam Tamur hai. It's like my brother's name Taimur. But unlike him, you're ugly as fuck." Okay? And you dare meet me on the streets, I'll make you uglier than what you are even right now. Basically threatening violence at the guy. Okay? So the guy, like any sane person would, if Ibrahim Ali Khan fucking DMs them, he took a screenshot and shared it all over the internet.
Of course.
Okay?
Of course.
Now, what kind of a dumbass newbie debutant actor decides, hey, it's a great decision. This guy who has given me a bad review, let's talk to him. Let's befriend him. Maybe he understands jest. No, man. What are you talking about?
This is hilarious.
That's
Bizarre.
crazy. So the
Yeah.
screenshot is out there.
It's out there. But again, this PR now must then after this happened, the PR must have gone into overdrive because nobody's covered this. Like Hindustan Times, Pink Villa, they've not covered this. But because the PR must have paid them to not cover, right? They have to do that shit. Like their management, whatever.
But you're telling everyone.
Yeah.
He's really
I didn't get paid yet, dude.
If you pay us, we'll
Yeah.
take this episode.
Yeah. I got paid by Khushi Kapoor's PR to talk about it. Hey, deflect from Khushi's bad acting. Anything to deflect.
I like how you're like, Ibrahim itna bura tha कि they wanted to reshoot. But what about Khushi? They wanted to delete it.
No, she couldn't go up to Karan.
I can't get behind this. It's wrong.
Oh God.
Fucking awesome. What did you think of Nadanya?
Nadania, it's the movie's name and the review.
great. That's a one-word review.
That's the one-word review.
मेरी नादानी थी जो मैंने ये मूवी देखी.
It's terrible, man.
Yeah, it's horrible.
There is a whole scene in the movie where Ibrahim looks into someone's eyes and says, "I'm not from Noida, Greater Noida, the greatest Noida."
Yeah, wow.
And even
I'm not from Navi Mumbai. I'm from the newest Mumbai that I started.
The nicest Mumbai.
Yes.
it's terrible.
Dude, there is a scene in the movie, again, for anyone who's seen it, where this guy wants to suddenly, through they've not set it up. This is the introduction in the movie. They've not set up, this guy has ambitions to become the leader of their debate group.
Yeah.
Okay, but turns out this is his lifelong dream. And to achieve this dream, he has been building his abs his entire life. Because that's how he shows his abs. Everyone's like, yes, you, we want you as our leader, dear beloved God.
His closing argument is he gets up on the chair और फिर अपने abs दिखा देता है सबको.
He has my vote.
That's all it is.
नादानिया. ऐसी लड़कियों की वजह से बन गई वो मूवी.
सही बात है.
Excellent. Okay, right, dude. Nadania, yeah. It's a must watch, I would say. Please go ahead and watch it.
It's a must
Yeah.
watch.
Must watch. Okay, let's enough about Nadania now.
Sorry.
What would you say then? So you saw Nadania.
Yes.
What did you watch? Did you already watch?
I said Bhagam
So
Bhagan
Bhagam
movie
Bhagam, of
club.
course, yes.
Bhagam Bhagam.
What would you say is your absolute favorite movie of all time ever?
Oh.
Hard hitting.
Like you've seen it, like this movie, you may have seen it the most in your life. It's a movie that, you'll, at 3 in the morning, if you don't feel like watching anything else, you'll be like, हाँ ठीक है यही लगा दो यार इससे अच्छा है.
Okay, recently I have been obsessed, and this is recent, with Jab We Met. So I can go dialogue for dialogue, scene for scene. Sometimes at night I'm like, I'll just play it in my head before I go to sleep.
Okay, nice.
And I watch a little bit in my mind as I sleep. So I can, Jab We Met.
She wakes up, साले तू कुत्ते की मौत मरेगा. बाहर में जा तेरी माँ की.
Yeah.
Javier is a great pick.
Excellent.
Excellent movie. I feel like it's one of those bachpan movies na that keep playing in the background. So it would be Andaz Apna Apna or fucking Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Very
Spot on.
good. Very good.
All of those. Hera Pheri.
Okay.
Classic.
Okay, quick question. कुछ कुछ होता है, दिल तो पागल है, DDLJ.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah.
Really? कुछ होता है?
Same.
Of
Oh,
course.
okay. दिल तो पागल है for me, man.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I feel like we're the Kuch Kuch Hota Hai generation.
We are.
Just
we
a
are.
We are the same age, guys. How old do you think I am? God damn it, all to it.
Wait, how old are you?
How old
I'm
are you?
32.
Yeah,
How old are you guys?
29.
Oh, wow, it's a whole generational shift. Oh my God.
We're 29. Okay.
बेटी, sorry बेटी. आपको ऐसा बोला बच्चा मैंने.
Sorry, मैं आपके पैर छूना भूल गई.
अरे भाई लाग.
We're really
चरण
sorry.
कहाँ है आपके चरण?
No, Antariksh, we're not in the same club. Anyway.
Okay, sure. My bad.
Sorry.
4 more months.
Oh, okay. So turning 30, yeah. Congrats.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks.
No. Yes.
Yeah, woo! Yeah.
We're turning 30.
Yeah.
I'm turning 30. Bo Burnham, anyone? No, I forgot. Chalo. Anyway, let's get to it.
Yes.
Gonna start with the games. As you know, we have an audience. The audience gets to play along, by the way. In case there's a question that you guys don't get an answer to, even up till the hints round of that question, then it throws to the audience, and the audience usually ends up getting at least half the points for each question. And it has happened on multiple episodes that the audience has beaten one or even both the contestants. So it can happen. Okay, the audience gets scored as well.
They do.
I actually saw your episode before this just to refresh. So
Yes.
yeah, I saw it.
You're studying your opponent. Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Good one. एक भी question नहीं आएगा उससे. Best episode pick किया मैंने. मेरा ही.
All right, let's go. The first game we're going to be playing, it's a very simple game. It's called Please Release These Correctly.
Oh my
All right?
god. Oh god.
This is the release order game, basically. I will say the names of 4 very popular mainstream films, and you guys have to arrange them in the order of their release. I don't need dates. I don't need years or whatever, days of the week or whatever. Just the correct order in which those 4 movies released, from oldest to newest.
Oldest.
But also, you guys should remember what you're fighting for on this episode. Okay, you are fighting for a very important title.
Oh.
You guys are fighting for the title to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Begum.
Wow. Okay. All right. Woo. Yeah.
Wow, people are fans of the title. Oh, nice, dude. Nice, dude.
Oh, so this is a recurring title. It's
It's a
not
recurring
because
title
we're Muslim.
and a recurring joke. Yes, correct. Yeah, it's not.
Adab.
It's not that. It's not that. Yeah.
Begum.
It's not. It's usually not Maharani, and then I changed it to Begum or something. Don't worry.
This morning.
That's not what it is.
God.
What this title allows you is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood.
Got it.
Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again?
Got it.
So let's go. Starting with the first game. Please release these correctly.
Yes.
Both of you will get a chance to take
Okay.
a stab at it. So the first question can start with Sumera and then
Okay.
move on to Uruj. And if neither of you are right, then move on to the audience.
Got it.
And the second question can start with Uruj first, then Sumera, and then move on to the audience.
Got it,
Alright?
got it.
Let's go. The first four movies that I want you to arrange are these four Shahid Kapoor films.
The years are there.
Okay, I'll just skip that question then. Oh shit. Oh wait.
I can answer that one.
No. Wait.
Hey,
This is
Nadania!
hilarious. Okay, wait. Let me check. I just remembered
What
that.
the fuck?
Listen, I love this show.
Yes. It's okay, man. Mistakes happen.
No, of course they have.
Yeah. The first question is, tell me the correct order in which these four Aishwarya Rai films were released. Okay? You won't see it
Okay.
on screen. These four Aishwarya Rai movies were released. 1. A. Jodha Akbar. B. Khaki. C. Umrao Jan. And D. Josh.
That's so sad.
Okay, I'll repeat that.
Yeah.
These Aishwarya Rai films, Jodha Akbar, Khaki, Umrao Jan, Josh.
Okay. I okay. Wait. Umrao Jan, Josh, Khaki, and you said?
And, Khaki and Jodha Akbar.
Jodha.
Have you seen all these films?
I've seen, yeah.
Okay.
I have seen. There are a lot of jers over here.
Yes.
Okay, can you put for me? Okay, because I have problems, okay? So, can you put
Can you just write this down?
Yeah, it's
A. Jodha Akbar. B. Khaki. Okay. B. Khaki. C. Umrao Jan. And D. Josh.
you put for me Jodha Akbar last.
Jodha Akbar last. So A is last for you.
And then what are the three remaining?
Khaki, Umrao Jan, Josh.
Yeah.
Khaki, Umrao Jan, Josh. Oh my god. No, I am also good. Was she a whore before?
Yeah. Complete. Oh. What a slut.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Can we say these things about Umrao Jan?
You can.
I don't know.
You think Aishwarya is watching this?
No, Aishwarya is not the problem nowadays, dude. But you don't know what is the thing.
sorry. Courtesan. She was a courtesan.
Ah. Nice.
Okay, there's Umrao Jan remaining, Khaki and Josh remaining, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Josh mein she's thinner.
Yeah, I can
Yes.
collab with you. Yeah, she is. Yeah.
She is, right?
Yeah,
the
yeah.
most thin.
Yeah. Youngest looking, I
And
think.
youngest
Yeah.
looking also. So you put Josh the most last.
First, no? 'Cause-
The first, which is oldest, right? And then in between remains
Khaki
Umrao
and
Jan.
Umrao Jan.
Khaki and Umrao Jan. Khaki में क्या कर रही थी ऐश्वर्या?
she was with Akshay Kumar.
She
Dil
was
Duba, Dil Duba.
You're right.
Neeli aankhon mein Dil Duba. So I actually have no recollection of Umrao Jan. So you that's what
That's
the gap
right.
is in my mind.
I remember Umrao Jan very well because they had a sex scene where they had Garjra in hand and then they were like doing this.
Who's
to
they?
Gar-
Who's the other person?
Abhishek Bachchan, husband.
Ooh.
So
It's
that's- You put that Dil Duba movie second, and then third is Whore, and she's the queen now.
Ooh, nice.
Transition.
Like this is how in American shows girls talk to each other like this. Oh, you slut. that's how Sumera has sounded like. The whore is next.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Now you go.
Okay, so I mean, since we collabed on that, but just for fun,
Yes.
I will just switch Khaki and Umrao Jan for fun. But I know Jodha Akbar was last.
Yeah.
And I know Josh was first. But maybe Khaki was first. Actually, Josh was first.
Josh was first.
Because after that, her and Shah Rukh were never brother and sister again.
That's true.
And
Yeah.
Shah Rukh also looked quite young.
Yes.
Impressionable.
And Akshay Kumar looks older in Khaki. Even
That's
though you
true.
can't tell Aishwarya's age, but Akshay Kumar looks older.
Older, for sure.
Right?
100,
Yeah.
You're good. in the right direction.
I think I'm in the right direction. I don't think there's any need to switch Umrao Jan and Khaki, to be
Don't
honest.
switch it.
I think you got it right.
No, I don't think you should switch it.
Can I go with
she
the same?
looks slightly
You
older.
can actually.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
So I'd like to go with this.
Because if we lose
So
points,
both of you. So both of your orders is. What, can you repeat the order?
It's DBCA. So Josh, then Khaki, then Umrao Jan, and then Jodha Akbar. DBCA.
Yes, DBCA is the correct answer. That was a very haphazard cut, I know. We won't tell right now. In post, you'll be able to tell. Okay. So, okay, DBCA was right. Both of you
Yes,
got it
yes,
correct. Very
correct.
cool. Full 5 points for both of them.
Yay!
Very nice. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. Okay. Next one. Next one is start with Uruj and then move on to Sumaira. Give me the correct order in which these action comedy films were released. These action comedy films. A. Awara Pagal Deewana. B. Singh is King. C. Badshah. Or D. Ek Aur Ek Gyara. Have you seen all these?
Yes, actually. Yes, I've seen all. But
All are amazing.
yeah. Okay.
Do you have a favorite from any of them? From
Badsha.
Badshah.
Oh, that's a good one. I like, actually, I'm confused between Ek Aur Ek Gyara and Singh is King because I like both of them.
Okay, fair. Yeah.
See, Singh is King is last. Right?
Yeah,
That's last.
correct,
That
correct.
came out last because
Yeah.
I was dancing on Ji Karda in school.
Ji Karda.
Yeah.
Teri aur-
Yes,
yeah.
yes, you're right,
Yeah.
you're right.
Teri hor. That's what Umrao Jan was singing.
It's a running theme. Yes.
Okay, Awara Pagal Deewana will be right before Singh is King because Akshay Kumar looks slightly younger than he was in Singh is King. Confused between what came first, Ek Aur Ek Gyara or Badshah.
Badsha came before.
Right? Because I think that was before we were born.
Yes. No, Badsha was, we were
Right.
born. We were born.
98
We were
tha kya?
very young. We were 4 or something.
So 98 tha. 98 tha.
Yeah, something in 90s.
So okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go Badshah.
Badshah first.
Ek-
Oldest.
Yeah.
Badshah,
Ek Aur Ek Gyara.
Right.
CD.
Awara Pagal Deewana.
CDA.
Singh is King.
B. CDAB is what Uruj is saying. CDAB.
CTAB. Ek Aur Ek Gyara was definitely. Oh, but Ek Aur Ek Gyara was also in 90s only, no?
Yeah, it's Sanjay and
Sanjay
Govinda.
Dutt and Govinda.
Ande ka phanda.
No, that's Jodi.
Oh, sorry.
That's
That's
Jodi.
Jodi. But fair enough. Those
I
three.
was so
those
excited.
Three. Yeah, it's all good.
Ek Aur, okay, so I'll copy her answer.
So CDBA is.
Yeah, CDB.
CDAB. CDAB.
CD, or should I make it spicier and
Ek Aur Ek Gyara is that movie in the tank when they come in
Yes.
the end.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, is it before Badsha?
No, it's after.
It's after.
I remember seeing that tank after.
Okay. Then whatever she's saying.
Okay. So CDAB. So you're
CDAB.
saying both of you are saying Badshah, then
Badshah
Ek Aur Ek
first.
Gyara, then Awara
Awara.
Pagal Deewana, and then Singh is King.
Not sure I
The
know.
correct answer is
I'm sure.
CADB.
Oh,
CADB.
fuck.
It's Badshah 1999, Awara Pagal Deewana 2002, Ek Aur Ek Gyara 2003, and Singh is King in 2008.
It's wrong.
2000.
I don't agree.
You don't agree, sorry.
Wow, how did Ek Aur Ek Gyara come afterwards? That's crazy.
Ek Aur Ek Gyara was after.
Conceptually, Awara Pagal Deewana seems like it's
newer.
newer. It's
Fair,
newer,
fair,
right?
fair.
Because we remember. But also
Actually,
one
but I would
year.
say from all of these, Badshah looks the newest.
Badsha
to me
is
at least, in
no,
my head.
No.
It looks very old.
No.
Like just the way it's shot.
It's true.
Story, maybe.
That's
I don't
true.
know, in my head. All right.
Shah Rukh Khan is very handsome in it.
That's true. Again, yeah, very true. And Twinkle Khanna is also very handsome. Yes, dude. What? Only the men get the compliments, is it?
Wow.
Thank you for
Wow.
thank you for making sure this is a equal show.
yeah,
for
inclusive,
everyone.
man.
Thanks so
Yeah,
much.
okay.
I appreciate it.
Slut shaming.
Yes. This is the show where we are correcting all of society's wrongs. Yes, correct.
Okay, got it. So both of us.
This is a bear slide. Yeah.
That's so.
Okay, cool. The correct answer was this.
Oh.
So, yes, full points for nobody.
No. We're a
Because-
team.
Yeah.
We're a
It's what it
team.
is. Sorry. Okay, then moving on to the next one.
Yes.
Keep your buzzers at the ready.
There's no buzzer.
Sorry. Thanks, Samara. I don't know why.
Antariksh,
That's
what's
the way I
wrong
answered.
with you?
Antariksh, you made one mistake. It's okay.
I know, correct. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Next one.
Okay.
Keep your buzzers on, okay? it's just I have a habit of speaking. Okay.
Oh, no.
The last one in this game. Give the correct order in which these two hero films were released. A. Karan Arjun. B. Mohra. C. Hello Brother. And D. Ishq.
This is so
All
bad.
90s.
All
Does
90s.
Sumera
All-
go first?
Yes, Samara can go
I
first.
mean, we're collabing at
We're
this
collabing
point.
at this. No, yeah. See, listen,
Yeah.
Uruj. Karan Arjun seems really old.
Yes.
It's like, oh my god.
It's like, when did Shah Rukh and Salman ever work together
That's
after
true.
that?
So that
right?
was
Multiple movies actually together.
that is true. Don't correct us. Mohra is also old though.
Yes, you know, I saw Sunil Shetty the other day.
You saw him?
Yeah, at the Zerodha event.
Why did you
Wow.
ask him?
Call him, yeah.
He saw me bombing. I don't think he'll pick up my
Oh,
call.
shit. Oh,
He
shit.
saw me really bomb.
Oh, man.
I actually came off stage and Sunil Shetty was standing because his panel had to go on next. Okay? And he saw like the last 3 minutes of me bombing to a completely like tech nerdy crowd.
Oh, man.
I came down. First of all, Sunil Shetty, so hot.
Yeah.
Right? I
He
can't,
just-
guys, oh my god. I
He
did
looks
not know.
better every year, I think.
I know I was capable of feeling the feelings I felt. But I came down and Sunil Shetty says to me, he says, wow, आपने तो हमें डरा ही दिया.
Yeah.
Because I was bombing so hard, he didn't want to go and he didn't want to follow me.
Yeah.
He was like, you suck. Then I said, Sunil sir, actually I did a bad job. I'm sure they'll be very excited for you.
Did he bomb also?
No, he just said, and then he went and killed.
तूने सुनील शेट्टी को डरा दिया. उसने इतने बाइक स्टंट्स किए.
He'd never seen me perform before.
Okay. मोहरा और करण अर्जुन के बीच में एक मिनट हम आते हैं उन दोनों पे.
Yeah.
But we definitely okay. We don't know this also.
Hello Brother is last, babe.
Hello Brothers last.
It's gotta be.
It's very last.
It's yeah. It feels the newest in terms of the grain of the movie, you know, like the color grading. Ishq I've seen so many times. Ishq is like I think in between like some 1995 to 2000.
That's true. But
So-
all the other movies are also there. Oroj. What? सुनील शेट्टी की मुझे डरा रही है तू. Okay, Mohra had that song. तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त.
Okay, मुझे मोहरा का पोस्टर याद आ रहा है क्योंकि मैं वो गाना सुनते
और
रहती हूँ.
उसमें एक क्या लिखा है?
मोहरा ही है.
Yeah, correct. There is Akshay Kumar on one side, Smriti on
Yeah.
one side, and I think Nazreen Shah in the middle or something. Is that
No, Ravina Tandon is
That's
Ravina
one and one
Tandon.
poster, and then there are multiple iterations of the poster. Then Ravina will be in one of them. Yeah.
You know the thing is, I feel like it goes something. Ishq Hello Brother.
मेरी जान कर लो.
ना कर ले हमसे एक बार प्यार की दो मीठी बात ओ सोनिया सुन ले तू
Something, something.
यार.
Okay, sorry. you
ए
were saying.
भाई तूने पप्पी के लिए ना कहा था मीका सब go down Mika now.
Sorry. You're saying we should go with Ishq. No, Hello Brother.
Hello Brother last.
And Ishq is before Hello Brother.
Yeah.
And then we'll go Mohra and then Karan Arjun.
Yeah. But you think he'll give it in the order it's supposed to be in? What do we think about Antariksh is the question.
Yeah, am I a simpleton?
अंतरिक्ष ने वहाँ पे डाल दिया है.
Yes, गलती तो
That's
किसी
true.
भी
अंतरिक्ष ने
गलती-
आंसर ही डाल दिया था.
गलती इंसान करता है, ठीक है? इंसान गलती करता है.
अंतरिक्ष को क्या पता? देख, ओके स्विच. देख मैं बताऊँ क्या?
क्या? हाँ
तू
बोल.
एक कॉम्बिनेशन कर, मैं एक कॉम्बिनेशन
Okay,
इस
good
बार
idea.
अलग करते हैं.
ठीक है.
तो इश्क हम क्या लास्ट रख रहे थे?
हेलो ब्रदर लास्ट है.
हेलो
उसके ऊपर के 3 में तू चेंज कर ले.
अच्छा, हेलो ब्रदर लास्ट रख
हाँ.
और इश्क सेकंड लास्ट रख और फिर एक जन करण अर्जुन और मोहरा करेगा और दूसरा पहला मोहरा करेगा.
ठीक है.
Wow, okay.
तो you decide. Since it's your turn, you go first. I'll take the second.
Oh, good one.
Yeah.
I will do Mohra before Karan Arjun.
So you're saying Mohra, Karan Arjun, Ishq, Hello Brother.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're saying B-A-D-C is Sumaira.
Look at them. Look at their
Yeah.
face.
Were they disapproving or they approving?
They hate us. They hate us.
They're like these
Hateful.
noobs.
Hateful.
vehemently.
Uruj,
I'm doing A, B, D, C.
ABDC. So BADC and ABDC, right?
Yeah.
Those are two ones?
Yes.
The correct answer is BADC.
Ooh, you
Mohra,
got it.
then Karan Arjun,
Oh!
then Ishq, then Hello Brother, making Sumaira correct.
Very good, very
Woo! Yes. Awesome, Sumaira. Mohra, July 1994. Karan Arjun, 1995. Ishq in 1997 and Hello Brother in 1999.
Wow, I call Karan Arjun so old. I'm exactly as old as Karan Arjun. I was like, it's so old.
95.
As old as I am.
Karan Arjun is an epic movie, dude. I think it's, people keep saying, what's his name? Rakesh Roshan's best movie is Koi Mil Gaya because it's so ambitious for its time. So people keep citing it as one of his finest works.
It's Karan Arjun.
It's actually feel the most rewatchable of his works has to be Karan Arjun, man.
Sorry, I'm laughing and Karan Arjun is
No,
as
sorry.
old as me.
I just didn't have to be so aggressive in my approach.
For sure.
Karan Arjun को शादी कर लेनी चाहिए.
शादी की उम्र आ गई है बेटा अभी तक
हो गया.
शादी नहीं हुई तुम्हारी बेटा क्या है
करण अर्जुन के बच्चे कैसे होंगे? मेरे करण अर्जुन नहीं आएंगे.
It's I think it's about time for Karan Arjun to die and then be reborn. It's too late.
We have to freeze our Karan Arjun. Find someone.
Excellent. Okay, cool. I think that brings us to the end of this game. Very cool. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 1. We'll just wait for the scores to come in. Very well played.
We know the scores.
It's all the same, right? Everyone's tied, is it?
No, she's
I had
got
5
Sumera got
or 4
one
more
more,
points.
Audience has 0 points because nothing got passed.
Yeah, no problem. It's all good.
Uruj is on 5, Sumera is on 10 at the end of game 1.
Sunil Shetty sir.
forever
The
scarred.
next game. Let's go. The next game is called Whose Line Was It Anyway? The name of this
Okay.
game is a throwback to one of the greatest shows of all time. But
Got it.
how this game works is I will quote a dialogue from like a little known dialogue from a very popular mainstream film and give you 4 options as to who said it and in which film. And both of you again get a chance to take a stab at it. The first one, the last one started with Sumera. The first one gets started with Uruj in this one. And again, if neither of you get it, then throws to the audience. Alright? Simple enough. Let's go. The best way to play this game, to understand these games, is by playing them. Let's go. First one is as follows, starting with Uruj.
Okay.
10 करोड़ के लिए मैं पॉटी का एक टुकड़ा तो खा ही सकता हूँ. Who said this and in which film? Was it Shahid Kapoor in Udta Punjab, Arshad Warsi in Dhamal, Siddharth Malhotra in Kapoor and Sons, or Siddhant Chaturvedi in Gully Boy?
Man, I can imagine all of them saying this. Like Arshad Wasi would love to say this, I feel. He would love to say
But
it.
not in real life, not in the movie.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know why. I don't know. I feel like it's C.
Okay.
I don't
Is
know
that your
why.
answer?
Yeah, I have an instinct. So I'll
Okay.
go with
You're saying C. Sumera?
Oh, it will come to me also. Okay. I didn't think about it. See, logically, because the movie Dhamal was about rupees, money,
Yeah.
but it was about 10 lakh and not 10 crore. Gully Boy, Siddhant Chaturvedi, why will he say it?
No, he won't.
He's like a rapper.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a rap dialogue or whatever. One of the bars. 10 करोड़ के लिए मैं पॉटी का एक टुकड़ा खा ही सकता हूँ.
Bantai.
अपना टाइम आएगा पॉटी खाने का.
I don't think it's same. Siddharth Malhotra and Kapoor and Sons is something. Arshad Warsi, yes, can completely pull this off.
Okay.
Shahid Kapoor also, I don't think so. I will go with B, Arshad Warsi.
Saying B, Arshad Warsi.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
Uruj says C, Siddharth Malhotra.
Yes.
The correct answer is C, Siddharth Malhotra is right. Nice.
Why is he saying
He
Very
says
good.
this to his brother, right?
Says
As a
it,
joke.
to
or his
granddad.
Rishi
it's
Kapoor.
It's granddad's, I think, birthday. The cake looks like poop. And they're talking about some money.
So,
I remember he says it as he's like 10 crore ke liye to. I just remembered him saying
Yeah.
it. Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
good one.
Okay, very
Good
cool.
one.
Yeah, very well done. Yeah. All right, next one. This one will start with Sumera.
Okay.
जब बड़ी मछली को फंसाना है तो पहले छोटी मछली को फंसाओ. बड़ी मछली खुद ब खुद चली आएगी. Who said this? Which film? Shahid Kapoor in Badmaash Company, Uday Chopra in Dhoom 2, Arshad Warsi in Dhamal, and Vinay Pathak Khosla Ghosla.
Ooh, this is giving me pains. जब बड़ी मछली को फंसाना हो तो पहले छोटी मछली को फंसाओ. बड़ी मछली. I want to say Vinay Pathak and Khosla का घोसला. I'll just say that. Vinay Pathak, Khosla Khosla.
Alright, Rouge?
Yeah, one can imagine him.
Yeah.
doing it.
And it had that whole plot of, first
They have to sell
the
land.
fake plot.
Yeah.
And to the super boss se pehle they go to that middle guy and all
Yep.
of that.
I do remember
So that's
that.
why I'm going with D. Vinay Pathak.
Alright, Rouge?
And I've seen the audiences. Look at Antariksha. उसने कैसे गुस्से में देखा.
Hey, not at all. Not at all, man. It's all good.
Hey, did you guys help her?
Bro,
Not at all.
Remember who
don't
came
give
on
them
time?
wrong answers, guys.
Not at all.
अगर दे रही हो तो correct answer दो यार, क्या कर रहे हो?
Sorry, it's also my instinct.
Yeah, no, fair enough. Okay, I really have no clue.
Okay.
So I am going to wing it. I'll not take your answer for
Okay.
fun. Uday Chopra doesn't seem like he was planning anything in any of the things. He was mostly a follower. If it was Abhishek Bachchan, I'd say Shahid Kapoor, Badmash Company, because I have not seen Dhamal, and I know Badmash Company is about trapping people. So
Yeah,
sure.
that's also
Okay.
a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Alright.
I'm very 50-50.
So Uruj said Shahid Kapoor, Badmash Company.
And I said D.
And Sumaira said D, Vinay Pathak, Khosla Khosla. The correct answer is Vinay Pathak, Khosla Khosla. That's right. Yes, that's correct. Very cool. Very
why
cool.
don't you let us look at that Anil Kapoor picture a little bit more?
Yes, it needs more looking at. Yes, absolutely.
हम फंस गए.
This is also 90s. Yes.
Beautiful.
The golden era of Bollywood.
Just send that to me on WhatsApp.
yeah, probably.
Go ahead.
Oh God.
Okay, that was correct for Sumaira. Got full 5 points there.
Yes. Woo.
Let's do one more in this game and then move on to the next game.
Okay.
Alright. जिंदगी में हमारी वाट इससे नहीं लगती कि हम कौन सा रास्ता चुनते हैं. वाट लगती है इससे कि हम कौन सा रास्ता छोड़ते हैं. Who said this? Which film? शाहिद कपूर कमीने, प्रियंका चोपड़ा ब्लफ मास्टर, SRK जब तक है जान, जूही चावला डुप्लीकेट. Starting with Sumaira. No, starting.
No.
Sorry, starting with Rouge. Yeah.
Okay. I'm finding it hard to see Priyanka Chopra saying what in Bluffmaster. Like, I don't think that was, she can say it, but I don't
Yeah.
think it was her character.
I'll read it again. जिंदगी में हमारी वाट इससे नहीं लगती कि हम कौन सा रास्ता चुनते हैं. वाट लगती है इससे कि हम कौन सा रास्ता छोड़ते हैं.
Okay, I mean, look, I don't know, but because you're just saying what now,
Okay.
I'm gonna go with Shahid Kapoor Kamine.
शाहिद कपूर कमीने.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Me. She's right. I mean, I can't. Okay, SRK.
You can say the same.
You can have the same
Yeah,
answer.
right. I feel जब तक ये जा में तो नहीं बोलेगा SRK ऐसे क्यों बोलेगा वो. Juhi.
But you think he could have said it to Anushka Sharma at some point?
क्यों अनुष्का शर्मा टपोरी है?
No, because he has like a more like mentor role
Yeah.
with her, but she's like into him, so I thought maybe.
Oh, really?
No, you know you're right. I think it's Shahid Kapoor and Kamine. I'm sorry.
Okay, Shahid Kapoor कमीने okay, just a minute, okay. जिंदगी में हमारी वाट इससे नहीं लगती कि हम कौन सा रास्ता चुनते हैं. वाट लगती है इससे कि हम कौन सा रास्ता छोड़ते हैं. Okay, शाहिद कपूर.
शाहिद कपूर, both of you are saying Shahid Kapoor
We're
कमीने.
going Shahid Kapoor.
All right. And both of you are correct. Shahid Kapoor and Kamine is absolutely right. Very cool. Very cool.
Context clues. Context.
Did the
clues.
audience also know all these answers before? Okay.
He also had a lisp. In this.
Yes, you're right. Wow. He was Ibrahim Ali Khan before Ibrahim Ali Khan.
No dubbing required.
Wow.
He had a lisp in Kamine.
मैं fur को fur बोलता हूँ.
One of the characters.
Wow.
Charlie. has-
Another thing that left Shahid Kapoor for Saif Ali Khan. The lisp. Wow. Horrible. Stop applauding that, guys. It's not something to be happy about.
कमीने. You're all the movie titles today.
Okay. That's so funny. Alright. Let's see how we stand at the end of game 2. Very well done, guys. You guys are playing very well.
Yay.
So fun. What a fun episode already.
So good.
At the end of the second round, the audience is still on 0. In second place is Uruj with 15 points.
Oh, okay. Very good.
And leading by a slim margin is Sumaira with 20.
Oh, just one answer. Just one. It's still anyone's game. Just one answer away. Alright, the next game is very simple again. It's called Bollywood in Jeopardy.
Got it.
How the game works is I will read out the Google plot description or the plot description of a very popular mainstream film, and you guys have to buzz. This is the buzzer round.
Oh no.
Okay, you have to make a sound with your mouth each time. Can I know what your buzzer sound would be?
Sorry, I burped. I won't be
You have to
able
do it every time now.
I won't be able to recreate
That's
that.
your buzzer sound.
No, my buzzer sound is.
Okay.
Wow.
Sumera?
Mine would be tring tring.
String. Okay.
Just tring tring.
String. All right. So Bollywood and Jeopardy. I will read out the plot description of Very
Yes,
Popular Mainstream
yes.
Film. You have to buzz in and say the answer, but you have to say the answer in the form of a question.
Oh fuck.
Okay? Like if it's Bagban, if the answer is Bagban, you have to say, is this the plot of Bagban? Or is it Bagban? Or what is the plot of Bagban? However you want to ask a question, say it as a question. If you don't ask it as a question and I catch you on it, I will let the other person steal even though you might have been right. All right?
Oh, damn.
I've seen some insane steals on this one.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Ursula got passionate and
Yeah.
forgot about
Yeah.
it. All right, so okay,
Yeah.
let's go. So
Yes.
buzzers are they ready? Let's start with
Yes.
the first one. First one is as follows. Though Dash hates everything about love, Dash is an extremely romantic woman. While she falls in love with Dash and makes it evident, he struggles with his feelings and is hesitant to convey them. The first dash and the third dash are the man's name, and the second dash, that is the comma ke baad jo dash hai, that is the woman's name.
Wow!
Yes. Wow. Okay.
Is it I Hate Love Stories?
Whoa, bro! Wow! Whoa! Okay, fucking A, dude. Great, Uruj.
No, I
Fucking
like
A.
it, I like it.
Wow, yeah.
I listen to the playlist a lot
Oh,
of the movie. Yeah.
nice.
Sadka kiya bin
Yeah.
tere,
Bin tere.
bin tere.
I hate lost. That's right.
That one.
That one gave it away.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Oh,
Very cool.
God.
Full 5 for Uruj. Very well done. Moving on to the next one. Give your buzzers at the ready.
Okay.
The soldiers of the Indian Army try to locate their patrol officers after they learn that Pakistani troops are crossing the dash. Okay, Uruj will go first. Complete the question. A fierce battle then ensues between the two nations. Yes.
Is it border?
No, it is not border.
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry.
Now you can answer till the hints round. Sumera, if you have a guess. I'll read one more time.
Yes,
the soldiers
yes.
of the Indian Army try to locate their patrol officers after they learn that Pakistani troops are crossing the dash. A fierce battle then ensues between the two nations.
Pakistani troops, and why are they crossing the dash?
Yeah, I thought it was border, but obviously.
Think about it.
Is the movie's name? Is it?
Hey, babe, actually,
Wait.
what else is it called? The border.
Yeah, so be careful,
Yeah.
yes.
Is it the LOC?
Yes.
Woo!
Correct. It is correct. LOC Kargil. LOC, yes.
LOC.
Line of control.
Yay!
NSC line of control. Yeah, all good. But great. Sumera, guess I won. Full 5 points. Keep your buzzers ready again. Next one
Yes.
is as follows. Mumbai-based couple Dash and Dash's lives turn upside down when a distant relative arrives at their doorstep and interferes in their personal and professional affairs.
tring.
Yes.
Is it Aditi Kab Jaoge?
Very nice.
Killing
Very
it.
nice.
Breezing past these. Very cool. Movie number 4. Keep your buzzers again at the ready. Dash holds God responsible for all the problems in his life. When God appears before him and grants him divine powers, Dash thinks he can make the world a better place. Yes, you'll go first. A better place by granting everybody's wishes.
Is it God to see greater?
Again.
Oh my god, Sumera.
Fucking
Killing
hell.
it.
Come on.
Full 5. Full 5. We'll do one more. We'll do.
Can you send that on WhatsApp?
Yes. All of them. Yes, the whole collection. All the best, right?
Thanks. Thank you so much.
After being expelled from school, Dash returns home to a strict father as well as a half-brother who he was unaware of. He is forced to work at his father's factory even though he wants to write. What is the movie? After being expelled from school, Dash returns home to a strict father as well as a
Tring,
half... Yes, you'll go first.
Is it Udan?
Absolutely wrong.
Wow.
Epic
I'm gonna
classic
go.
movie.
Actually, I'm getting late for something. I have to leave.
मुझे भी उड़ना है.
I can't beat this now. It's very good.
Okay, very cool. So Mera's killing this. There's one more last one in this game. Okay. Dash and Dash become friends during a war in Afghanistan. But when the EIC introduces a rifle that uses objectionable cartridges, Dash rises
tring.
in revolt.
Fuck. Is it Mangal Pandey?
Yes, absolutely.
I thought so.
Mangal Pandey the rising, yes. Absolutely.
Damn
right.
it.
Fuck
Sepoy
yeah, Sumera.
Mutiny of 1857. Can I get points for knowing it's the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857? I studied that for history exam.
You get all HD files.
Very cool. That brings us to the end, if I'm not wrong.
I don't want to know the points.
Okay, that was the end of this game as well. Very well done. I think Sumera dominated this one. A very quick round.
What? No, I was good. What did I say?
Where do we stand at the end of game 3?
The audience continues to be on 0.
Yeah, audience!
That's right.
Yes!
I'm beating you all.
With a very slim lead in second place is Uruj with 20.
Yeah, very good, very good.
And dominating this round
Yeah.
is Sumaira with 45.
What a jump!
God.
What a jump, dude! God damn it.
But who's slimmer?
Wow.
Who's slimmer though?
Slim Shady. He pointed at him.
Adnan Sami slimmer, he's saying. Sanskar said, oh, who's slimmer? Adnan Sami.
Oila, oila, oila.
Alright. Cool. Let's go.
Let's go.
The next game is my absolute favorite game.
This is where you get the
Yes.
lead.
Okay, this game
I'm
is called...
genuinely sad now.
Don't worry, you still absolutely...
Okay.
Each question is 5 points.
Okay.
You're only like 4 or 5 answers away if you think about
That's
it.
true.
Okay?
Fine.
So, this game is versus, one of my favorite games. How this game works is I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. By read out, I mean literally read out as a piece of poetry, off tune, no tune. Why the second verse, you might ask? The second verse of any song is the least heard part of that song.
True.
Like very often, if you listen to music on the radio, they'll skip past the second verse. The DJ will never play the second verse ever. If you listen to music yourself, you'll be like after the first one, like "Haan, ho gaya," and move on to the next song, right? So the second verse is the least heard part of the song. So I'm going to read out the lyrics of a very popular mainstream song. You have to buzz in again. You can use the same buzzer or change your buzzer, whatever you want. Whoever gets it first can say the answer out loud first and get the points. This time you don't need to ask it as a question. You can just say the answer. It's all good.
Okay.
All right. Again, the best way to play to understand these games is just by playing them. So let's just go. The first song, ka lyrics are as follows. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Okay. ना समझे नादान है, ये मेरा एहसान है. चाहे जो इसको कह दो. छेड़े मुझको जान के बदले में एहसान के, दे दिया दिल इसको कह दो.
Ching ching.
Yes.
ये दीवाने लड़के को.
No. Now you can't answer till the hint round. I'll read again for you. You're still in play. I'll just read again for you. ना समझे नादान है, ये मेरा एहसान है. चाहा जो इसको कह दो. छेड़े मुझको जान के बदले में एहसान के, दे दिया दिल इसको कह दो. Okay? तू ये ना जाने दिल टूटे भी दीवाने.
This is साजन जी घर है. कुछ होता है.
Oh, full five.
I needed this. Thank you.
Very nice. How this part in the song goes is ना समझे नादान है, ये मेरा एहसान है. चाह जो इसको कह दो. Yes, nice. Oh, you guys in unison. I like it.
When you did that, I got it when you said तू ये ना जाने दिल टूटे भी दीवाने. I knew it because I've done that so many times in my mind. So
Yes, sun.
Yes. I knew
Okay.
it. I knew she'll get it there. It's like she's imagining herself.
yeah, she's seen me in those times.
Oh, nice. Very cool. All right, next one. Keep your buzzers again at the ready.
Okay.
Again, this could be easy, so again, just be ready, okay? कर लो जो भी करना है.
गुस्से में क्यों बोल रहा है हमें? हम तेरे शो पे ही आए हैं.
What? That was...
कर लो जो भी करना है.
कर लो जो भी करना है. कर लो जो भी करना है. होता है जो होना है. गुजरा तो पल ये फिर ना आएगा. क्या बुरा है क्या भला है. वक्त ही शायद खुदा है. हो जाने दो फिर देखा जाएगा.
I have no clue.
You definitely know the song. I'll read again. कर लो जो भी करना है. होता है जो होना है. गुजरा तो पल ये फिर ना आएगा. Just a little lower, guys. क्या बुरा है क्या भला है. वक्त ही शायद खुदा है. हो जाने दो फिर देखा जाएगा.
I have no clue.
I think Uruj is getting the vibe of the song, right?
This is okay. I'll try.
Yes.
Is this from Ek Chalis ki last local?
Yes. Wait. Don't. Yes. The movie is correct. Tell me the song.
अरे बहन.
बोलना उसको.
क्या
Okay, come
भला
on.
है क्या खुदा है वक्त ही शायद दुख.
It's not Gully Boy.
अरे यार लारी छुट्टी.
Yes, yes.
लारी छुट्टी.
Yeah. कर लो जो भी करना है,
ये
होता
इसका-
है जो होना
सब नवी
है।
मुंबई के गाने हैं ये
140 की
ट्रेन
लास्ट
वाले गाने इसको दिए तुमने
Yes, very nicely done. That was awesome. Very well done. Very well done. Like what part of the lyrics helped you? Was it just like the general tone of the lyrics?
It's the last lines that always get me.
Okay, nice.
Because they're the furthest away from the second
Oh,
verse.
jaane do tu.
Stop paying attention. They're going into the chorus.
Yes. Okay.
Ooh, I had no clue by the way
Yeah.
No, none at all.
not at all
Okay, but you've heard the song.
you have heard the song
Yeah,
of
yeah,
course
yeah, sure.
क्या हुआ जो लॉरी छूटी
Isn't this a step in the song?
Yeah. Abediol is in
Yeah,
the
correct.
song.
Abediol and
And Neha Dhupia.
Neha Dhupia.
Roadies gang leader.
Yeah. Oh, somebody is watching Roadies.
Roadies gang leader
It's Neha Dhupia, Prince, and Elvish Bhai.
Oh, is
They
he
are-
also on
yes,
Roadies?
Elvish Bhai is a leader now.
And Rhea Chakrabarti.
And Rhea Chakrabarti, yeah.
2 years in a row.
this show is really trying to teach us something
Yeah, it's teaching us acceptance. All people are good people till they are bad people. I don't
It's a
know.
real range, I must say.
Yeah, it does.
You
Yeah,
know,
absolutely.
like,
Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah, wow,
it's like
yeah.
interesting.
jail bail everything
Excellent.
Really, anyone can be a roadie.
Yeah.
Truly.
Truly, yes. Okay, next we are going a little retro now, guys.
retro
Okay. I like to, include these people as fathers and parents and mothers and fathers. Want to poach that audience also.
Karan Arjun is
So-
old I'm as old as Karan Arjun
Okay.
it's a meme
Okay.
It's so old. It's like the oldest.
Hilarious.
sorry
No, worries. Okay, so this song comes in from I'll tell you the year, exact year I'll tell you.
What the
exact year.
fuck?
I'll tell you the exact year. Exact year. I know, but I just want to give you the era. 1973.
Good
Okay?
one.
I like that one.
This song is from 1973.
It's Kishore Kumar. So let's go.
It is Kishore Kumar.
It
I'll tell you
is.
that also. But still, let's see if you guys get it. Okay?
Look at the arrogance.
Dude,
Dekhte
Kishore
hain.
Kumar sang everything.
That's true.
too
Happy
much.
That's what-
birthday
that's
to
what it
you. Everything.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's go.
Oh God.
Okay. The lyrics of this retro song are as follows. कल तुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में, जैसे कह रही थी तुम मुझे बांध लो बंधन में। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसे सपने हैं, बेगाने होकर भी क्यों लगते अपने हैं। मैं सोच में रहता हूँ डर डर के कहता हूँ यस।
पल पल दिल के पास.
Oh Lord, that is amazing, dude. That is awesome.
मैं सोच में रहता हूँ.
See, I told you this one listens to all songs.
Yeah, songs I can do songs. Yes. दिल के पास तुम रहती हो.
I had 50 Shades of Grey. That's the only guess I had. He's बांध रहा है यार
Oh
उसको.
yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
Kishore, that was. You know.
50 Shades of Grey and White.
Okay.
This episode is epic.
Absolutely epic. Absolutely.
It's reel after reel.
It really is. There's a lot of reels in here.
Yeah.
You're right.
They say that, you guys say that, but I end up posting 0 reels from most episodes because it's just editing is tough, guys.
It's hard. It's hard.
Give me
Okay.
an editor's number. Come on, let's go.
Okay, cool. Let's
Yeah.
go. Chalo. Next song. Second verse का lyrics are as follows. Keep your buzzers at the ready.
Okay.
पैसे जोड़े थे, घर बुक किया था, लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. Then repeats. पैसे जोड़े थे.
That's your WhatsApp.
Oh, sorry. Wrong app. Sorry.
Don't read it out loud.
मम्मी, मैंने पैसे जोड़े थे, घर बुक किया था यार. क्या डैड? Okay. पैसे जोड़े थे, घर बुक किया था, लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. एडवांस मांगा जब वापस जो हमने, बोला वो नॉक करो कोर्ट का डोर. बंगला सोचा था और आ गए रोड पर, कहीं के हम ना रहें.
You think I'll know this?
You guys have heard the song, probably even liked the song. but the lyrics are thoda, yes.
I don't know. Okay, I'll just help you with maybe the movies.
Yeah, no, listen, honestly, this one I'm also
I have
struggling
no
with.
clue. But he'll sing half. Huh? He'll do that.
I'll do that. Yeah.
Let's take that.
Yeah,
Let's take that because
let's do that.
I'm
If you want, I can read once more, just
Once
as
more,
is,
yeah.
Yeah,
just
once
as is,
more,
and
yeah.
then I'll go to the hints round. Then I'll just read it as is. पैसे जोड़े थे घर बुक किया था लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. It repeats. पैसे जोड़े थे घर बुक किया था लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. एडवांस मांगा जब वापस जो हमने बोला वो नॉक करो कोर्ट का डोर. बंगला सोचा था और आ गए रोड पर कहीं के हम ना रहे. Okay?
Is this anyway banta hai?
No. It's Bollywood.
It's Bollywood. No, now I
Okay.
am out.
So half for half.
Yeah.
I will
Yes.
half sing each of these lines for
Yes.
half the points. Alright. पैसे जोड़े थे घर बुक किया था लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. And repeats. पैसे जोड़े थे घर बुक किया था लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. एडवांस मांगा जब वापस जो हमने बोला वो नॉक करो कोर्ट का डोर.
I have no clue.
This is Adnan Sami.
No, it's not.
Oh.
There's Antriksh.
Yes. Bang.
You lost a lot of
I
weight.
lost a lot of
so I
weight.
got confused.
Thank you. What a save. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Talent. बंगला सोचा था और आ गए रोड पर कहीं के हम ना रहे.
कहीं के हम ना रहे. Come on,
That's
you can
it.
do
कहीं
that.
के हम ना रहे. Yo.
It's a little difficult to sing
Yeah.
the second verse ka lyrics because it's a little more, conversational kind of
That's
singing.
true.
You know what
Now
I
I
mean?
can't get Adnan Sami out of my head even though you said it. My mind is like,
Give singer.
I will. Yeah, Bappi Lahiri, Krishna, and
Lahiri.
Subhash Kapoor. I don't know who that is.
I mean, I think this is gonna go to the audience finally
Okay, no,
for
no,
the first time.
I'll,
'cause
I'll half sing it again
Okay,
because
okay.
it wasn't.
Okay, okay.
Or I did a terrible job of
I
it.
just want to say, audience is also saying like, what? So like,
Nobody's got that. Oh, great! Fucking hell,
Yeah.
dude. That's a rare song.
This
man.
is your
Okay.
WhatsApp only.
Yeah, correct.
Bappi Lahiri.
Bappi Lahiri.
पैसे जोड़े थे घर बुक किया था लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. पैसे जोड़े थे घर बुक किया था लेकिन बिल्डर निकला महाचोर. एडवांस मांगा जब वापस जो हमने बोला वो नॉक करो कोर्ट का डोर. बंगला सोचा था और आ गए रोड पर कहीं के हम ना रहे.
कहीं के हम ना रहे. कहीं के
Yes,
हम
correct, you
ना
got
रहे.
it.
लग गए 440 वोट.
नहीं.
लगे
लगे
440
ये वो
वोट.
ये छूने से तेरे. Yes, that one. No, okay.
No, that.
Can we suggest our own song?
Let's throw to the audience first then.
Yeah, audience.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Ooh, but that's a good one. Like
Good
good
one.
guess.
Okay,
yes.
so the song is लॉ लग गए मेरे लॉ लग गए लॉ लग गए मेरे लॉ
Which
लग
movie
गए.
is this
Jolly
from?
LLB.
Jolly LLB. You
Yeah.
went all the way there.
I mean, yeah, it's a good song.
Yeah,
Does nobody know the song? You know the song, okay.
Yeah.
Fair
Wow,
enough.
that's
He
insane.
got censored to L lag gaye.
Yeah, that's true. L लग गए मेरे L लग गए.
Late
बड़ी
लग
जाने
गए.
I'm keeping that in, man.
You keep it. You
Oh, okay.
अभी गा रही है बच गई तू हैं? आने वाला था तुझे समझ.
Speaking of voices, last week he sang in Anu Malik's voice to Adar Malik.
Oh
That's
my
true.
god.
Yeah,
Oh really?
I mean, yeah.
Did Adar realize it was not?
Yeah, he did.
He got it. He got
No,
it.
he didn't actually. He missed multiple Anu Malik songs.
Hey, it's songs to us. It's trauma
So
to
funny.
him.
Yeah, that's true. That's absolutely right. Okay, so guys, I have 3 more in this game. This game is going very well, so
Oh my
we'll absolutely
God.
do all 3 of them. Okay?
All right.
Let's go.
Yes.
Next one is as follows.
Okay.
भला कौन है वो हमें भी बताओ ये
Ching, ching.
तस्वीर उसकी
Oh,
हमें भी
shit, I
दिखाओ
also know.
Ching, ching.
ये किस्से सभी को सुनाते नहीं हैं मगर दोस्तों से छुपाते नहीं हैं छुपाते नहीं हैं.
Ching ching.
She went first.
Yes.
Yes. जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने.
Yes.
महबूबा.
मेरी
महबूबा.
परदेस.
Yes.
मेरी महबूबा.
Yes.
Oh blood
Deep,
deep deep. Oh blood da da da. Oh blood do. We
We love you. movie.
What a
It is
great-
an insane
it's-
movie.
it's-
It's right. Insane is absolutely right. Dude.
Yeah. Really didn't want to get
Yeah.
visas to go anywhere.
Correct. Yeah,
After
yeah.
I saw that.
How much do you love your India, really?
Oh God.
Okay. Very cool. That was full 5 for Samara. Okay. Next one.
Yes.
Let's see if we get this one.
Yes.
इंट्रो जिसका भैया टाइप्स उससे नैन मटक्का सैया टाइप्स मेरे लिए गाए तुम ही हो उसके संग क्यों छैया छैया वाइब्स
What is this Muslim cousin song?
कंटिन्यू कमिटमेंट के नाम पे तू मुझको उंगलियों पे नचाए फिर भी ये तेरे उंगलियां चुपके अब भी करते हैं राइट स्वाइप्स
What are you doing?
Some Gen Z song, it feels like.
Yes, you are right in thinking that.
It's a
exactly
Gen Z
right.
song.
It's a very Gen Z song. I'll repeat
Oh,
the
drink,
lyrics again.
drink. I'll just try, okay?
Yeah.
L-O-V-E.
Yes, she got it.
Yappa,
Oh.
yappa.
Yes.
Beautiful.
You know, how I caught it with a disdain in his eyes. When he said it's a Gen Z song. So yeah, it's a very bad song.
Papa,
Yes.
kuchi, kuchi, love ya, pa,
हो गया बाबू सोना ऊंची ऊंची That's the song.
Yeah, it's a earworm.
निकला था yeah this one this part of the song how it goes intro जिसका भैया टाइप्स उससे नैन मटक्का सैया
सैया
टाइप्स
types.
मेरे लिए गाए तुम ही हो उसके संग क्यों सैया छैया वाइब्स or something like that some version of that
Is Gen Z, do they feel this way? I think they don't. This is strange.
yeah that's true
I don't think so.
Are you
Yeah,
Gen
sorry,
Z?
man.
Do you
Yeah.
relate to this song? Yeah.
oh Khushi Kapoor's in this one also by the way
Oh,
Khushi
yeah.
Kapoor's in.
It's actually a bunch of millennials
Yeah.
guessing what
Yeah.
Gen Z is like.
And
yeah.
dude, another movie where I've heard Junaid Khan also has a lisp. No, how insane would that be? That Khushi Kapoor, that's in her rider. I will only work.
If you have a lisp.
Yes. Okay. Okay, we'll do. I have 2 more. Let's do quickly.
Okay.
Okay, again, let's go retro again, guys. This is 75, 1975. Okay. Uruj is very excited. She created in the last one. Okay. Okay. आ मैं तेरी याद में सबको भुला दूं दुनिया को
Ching,
तेरी
ching.
yes wow
Julie.
Yes, yes.
मैं तेरी
याद
याद
में
में
सबको भुला that was amazing dude amazing yeah दिल क्या
मेरा
करे
बस चले
दिल क्या
तो
करे
करे,
जब किसी को
Yes.
How do you know it with one sentence?
It's my parents' favorite song.
Oh,
Wow.
that's
Yeah.
so sweet.
They used to
That's
make
so
us
nice,
listen to this as children.
That's so cute.
oh so you had a tough childhood is what you're saying
And it's what
सुन साली सुन
Is it their love song?
it is, and we now know.
Oh God. Oh, her parents have a good love story, which I know. So like.
oh is it
Yeah, it's very sweet.
the last one in this game guys let's go
Yes.
the absolute last song in this game
Yes.
हाँ जिंदगी है तेरे ही वास्ते तू मेरी सांसों के करीब है तुझसे जुड़ी है मेरे रास्ते तुझसे जुड़े हैं मेरे रास्ते तू मेरे ख्वाबों का नसीब है आ मेरा दामन थाम ले करूं प्यार मैं सबके सामने
Oh, oh, girl, you're mine. Oh, girl, you're mine. Oh, girl, you're mine. Houseful.
Oh girl you're mine
There is no way.
You wouldn't have gotten it? I have, because I took some time after I did Vakao. Yeah. I just want to say this is in my morning playlist.
oh really
Yeah.
oh dude
I know also. Oh, Girl, You're Mine is the one
Yes.
where they're on the island, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah,
And they're pretending
Yes.
and then someone gets
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh God, I wouldn't have guessed it.
Yes.
Chunky Pandey. Actually, I was asked to audition really long ago for one of the housefuls.
Really?
They called me and they were like, and I was 22 years old, and my mom and I were like just hanging out, and then called, and they were like, hey, it was on speaker. They were like, आप audition कर सकते हो क्या? And I'm not like really that interested.
was
in
it one of the
acting.
leads like one
No,
of the lead
that's the story. They were like, I was like, oh, so for what? Because I thought, like maybe some like joke character, which you can do joke character. They were like, we wanted to be Chunky Pandey's girlfriend. And so my mom was like, she's 22.
yeah
And they were like, so?
yeah yeah Chunky is only 58 what's the problem
My mom was like, hang up right now. Akhri pastas.
yeah
Wife,
I would have been Akhri pasti. GF.
wow man amazing
Oh God.
okay let's see where we stand at the end of game 4 Good sir. Just the scores are being calculated. This was a high-scoring game for Uruj.
Yes.
And Sumaira, both of you guys did really well on this. Wow.
Sumaira's, yeah.
The audience is on fire with 0 points. Yeah, high scoring game. In second place now is still Uruj, but with 40 points. She got 4 right in this.
Thank God.
Sumaira got 3 right in this. She is on 60.
Beautiful,
Okay,
beautiful.
wow.
But मेरी बेइज्जती कम हो गई है थोड़ी. So I'm fine with it.
The next game and the last game on this episode is Bollywood Taboo.
Okay.
It's a game of taboo, but with. It's all good, man.
It's Mario.
Mario? Oh, dude. Okay. The last game we're going to be playing on this episode is called Bollywood Taboo.
Got it.
It's a very simple game of taboo, but with Bollywood movies.
Okay.
I prepared these cards. On the top are the names of the movies, and under that are words that you can't say when describing the movie to your opponent. Okay?
I didn't understand.
You'll understand. For this game, I will need Amjad. He will play along with you guys.
Oh.
Okay, Amjad, please grab a seat and grab a chair and come sit here, please. Okay, say hello to Amjad, guys. Yes! Woo! Yes, awesome. Regular viewer of the show, regular listener.
Yes, yes.
Fucking hai. So I'm gonna pass this to you guys. Easy enough. How this game works, how the
Okay.
game of taboo works is, you guys are playing against Amjad in a way. Okay.
Okay.
So Sumaira will first have to make Amjad guess
Okay.
the movies. The ones he gets, you get points for that.
Okay, okay.
If he gets it correctly, you get points for that. Same with Uruj. If you make him guess correctly, you get points for that. And then finally, when it's Amjad's turn to make you guys guess, you get every time you get a correct answer, you get points for that.
Makes
Okay.
sense.
Again, the best way to understand these games is just by playing
By
them.
playing them.
So I will go ahead and give you the first lot of.
Cards.
So I'm not a part of this, so
Oh,
I'm
the
going
first
to
turn.
move
Yeah.
a little bit behind.
Huh, no.
Oh yeah. Hey, can I
check? You are
can I
absolutely
move behind
yes.
her?
Yeah, absolutely you can.
Yeah,
Well, listen. Okay, I'll just ask questions before I start the game.
Sure.
There's a timer, I'm guessing.
Yes, there is
There is
90
a
seconds. You have
90
seconds.
seconds.
Yes.
And then when I am looking at this movie,
Yeah.
it doesn't say that I can't take the actor's name. So I can take actor's name.
You can take the actor's name.
Okay.
Yes.
Anything but those words.
Anything but those.
But
words,
those
yeah.
words.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
Absolutely. Starting now in 3, 2, 1.
Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor's movie.
Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor.
Kapoor, yeah.
Dawn.
No, the Son and Anan.
Ahsoka.
Got it.
Nice.
Okay, this is a franchise movie. The first one had a very famous song by Arijit Singh, Tum Hi Ho.
Ashiki 2.
Got
Oh,
it.
okay.
This one Uruj auditioned for.
I didn't.
Oh wow. What
the
are the odds
first-
of that?
Oh.
What are the odds of that? That's crazy. Dude.
Okay,
Just want to say I did.
Oh fuck. Okay, this one the heroine dies in the end. It's like बहुत ही आशिकी वाली movie और
Kayamat se Kayamat tak.
no, a little 2000s.
More.
मेंशन हो जाता है एक्टर
तेरे
इसमें.
नाम.
Yeah, good one.
Whoa.
This one very recent और इसमें अभी recent जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस हुई है और वो अपना विकी कौशल है उसमें.
Chhala.
Good one. Okay, this one has what? Okay, this one was released in अपना वो क्या बोलते हैं ना उसको लॉकडाउन में रिलीज हुई थी.
30 seconds.
Go Shisha, he got Shisha.
Wow. 6.
Good one. This one is इसमें ना शाहरुख खान नाचता है मलाइका के साथ. वो एक गाना है उनका.
Simor. Malaika, Aishwarya, Shakti, no.
नहीं शक्ति नहीं, वो उसमें ना इस मूवी में, ये मूवी है ना थ्रिलर है और इसमें मर जाता है कोई, मतलब लोग मरते हैं इसमें, मरते रहते हैं, ग्रुप है पूरा जो
Come on, man. You have 10 seconds.
अरे शेर है इसमें, शेर की मूवी.
शाहरुख खान की
अजय देवगन है इसमें, भूत है अजय देवगन.
Oh, that's 7 and your time is done. 7 correct answers.
Amazing. Incredible.
Forgot about Kal.
No, but
No,
very
but
well
like,
done.
yeah, you voted so well.
This one is yours.
Oh God.
Okay. All right. The remainder of the cards, just the ones you got, did you keep them down?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Take it. Uruj,
Yeah.
just there are plenty then, no? Plenty
Yeah.
cards. Okay. Starting now.
Way more than I'll explain. Okay.
Okay, Uruj, just tell me when you're ready. Ready? Are you ready, Uruj?
Yeah.
Starting now in 3,
Yeah.
2, and 1. Go.
इसमें एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है और फिर शाहरुख अपनी बीवी के एक्सीडेंट का ब्लेम ले लेता है. करेक्ट.
Good.
ओके. इसमें अरे यार अबे यार वो जिसने एक्सीडेंट किया ना, वो नहीं वो होमलेस इंसान के साथ, वो है इस मूवी में. और वो अरे यार
You can skip it also. You can skip if you want. Yeah.
बॉल्स के सेम, सारी मूवी सेम ही है. ओके. इसमें है सो बैड, खुदा जाने इज अ सॉन्ग फ्रॉम दिस मूवी. करेक्ट.
Oh, nice.
ओके. ये मूवी इट्स नॉट हैदर, सो इट इज It's one of those movies. It's not Haider.
Maqbool.
It's not Maqbool. It's the other one.
Omkara.
Yes, correct. Okay. Okay. In this one, they वो पुलिस स्टेशन में गार्ड देते हैं अपने बच्चे को.
Drishyam or
Yes,
Drishyam 2?
Drishyam is correct. Okay. इसमें वो गाना है right here, right now, hey खुशी. Yes, correct. Okay. Okay.
5 done and 30 seconds left.
ओके ओके उसमें इसमें वो भाई बहन है वो दोनों. इसमें मोलेस्ट होते हैं लोग और बहुत
Cool है.
सॉरी इसमें कोई यस
Oh!
ओह माय गॉड. ओके इसमें गन्स हैं और लोग एक दूसरे को मारकर
Gangs
बहुत
of
चूतिया
Wasseypur.
बोलते हैं. यस करेक्ट.
10 seconds left.
इसमें एक बड़ी सी वॉल है. वॉल इनको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
दीवार.
करेक्ट.
Done. 9 correct for Uruj. Very well.
You're so good, man. He's so good. Yeah. How does he just know
All right,
them?
now Amjad, do you have enough cards for you?
I have very few.
Okay, take
They
some
were
more.
9 and 7.
Yeah, take some
He
more.
wanted, I didn't get, so I'll keep it. Sorry, I just could not explain wanted.
All right, so now you both are gonna guess whatever Amjad tries to make you guys guess.
Okay.
Whoever guesses first, guess it first.
Guess it
all right?
first, okay.
So can you keep track of Uruj? I'll keep track of Sumaira. All right? Yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है. Starting now in 3, 2, 1.
Bollywood's best dancer is educating many children. It's the one. Well, who's Bollywood's best dancer?
ABCD?
6 times. He has 6. 6
Oh,
singers.
Hrithik,
Yeah.
Educating
Yeah,
him?
Bollywood-
Super 30.
Yes.
Ooh,
Nice.
nice. Nice.
This is not. This is the one जिसमें 10 करोड़ नहीं 10 लाख है.
धमाल.
Wow, nice. Okay.
Okay. This is one, a very good movie. Not a Wednesday. Something similar.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Black Friday.
Tuesday.
They're doing interviews in a hotel. But they're actually fooling a lot of people. It's got Anupam Kher.
LA Confidential.
No, Anupam Kher, Manoj Bajpayee. They take a bunch of. Okay, I'll pass it. Sure. This movie had a lot of people doing cameos in it. Rishi Kapoor.
Om Shanti Om.
No, Rishi Kapoor played Rolly.
I'm Luck by chance.
Yes. This was also here where he's granting everybody's wishes क्योंकि वो.
Got to see Great.
Yes.
Oh God.
This is the one where the guy who lives in Mannat can't talk because they cut his throat.
Koila.
Yes.
Whoa.
This is Bollywood's most epic comedy movie from the 90s.
Hera Pheri.
No, before that. It
Golmaal.
No, it doesn't have Shah Rukh, it has the other two.
Anna Sapna.
That was Uruj.
Okay.
Yeah.
This was Mumbai ka King Kong.
अपना
10 seconds left.
Kallu Mama.
यार मेरे को नहीं पता.
Golimar
भेजा फ्राई.
Golimar
No,
भेजे
come on.
Jay
Okay.
said- गाना बहुत
Time
अच्छा.
up. All right, that's it.
Satya.
Satya. I would have never gotten it.
Both of you got 3 each.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow, you were really good again.
Can we just do more for fun?
I
This
missed
one.
Special 26 was the one I missed.
Ah.
It's very well done.
We wouldn't have gotten it.
We wouldn't have gone. Satya is such a boy movie.
Yeah.
Sorry. Very sorry.
Yeah, I was.
Thank you
also
so much.
like-
Amjad was amazing, guys. As
You were
always.
so good. Thank
Epic.
you so much.
Epic.
That was too good.
ma'am,
Amazing.
Thank you. Just 1 second.
Yeah, legend for a reason.
That was amazing,
too
guys.
good.
So well done. So well done for both of you. 7 and 9 correct answers. That's the highest we've had in this game up till now. Fucking A. So good again. That also brings us to the end of this amazing, fucking awesome episode of That Film Game Show. Very well done. We're just waiting for the scores to be calculated. Uruj, how was the first experience of the show? Yeah.
So good. I
you so
did
much.
not think I could
was
get
too
these
fun.
many. Yeah, and I'm also really glad I did it with Sumaira because I'm
So sweet.
like very comfortable.
Aww.
And you also, I'm very comfortable with you also.
No, that's fine. Huh?
But yeah.
You came on my show. It's okay. Don't worry. I don't feel bad. मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं लिया?
No, I had a great. And no, you guys are so amazing. I must say, like
Yeah.
your audience is
Love of fans.
incredible. Yeah.
Very cool.
I had a great
Yes.
experience.
Huge round of applause for yourselves, guys. Yes.
Yeah, you guys.
The ego. I'm like, give yourselves a round. I'm like, yeah, I deserve a round of applause. Of course. I need this. Okay, the scores have been calculated.
Okay. He's not asking you because it's like your 4th time. इसको तो मजा ही आया होगा.
Oh!
Wow.
Guys, both contestants have crossed a century. If I'm not wrong, that's the first time either of the guests have crossed. Okay, so both
Really?
guests.
Oh my God.
I,
First time audience was 0.
yeah, first time audience is absolute zero. Full zero audience. Wow.
That's oh my God.
We are.
One thank the audience.
Yes, absolutely.
This is
Wow.
insane.
This is amazing.
We're so good.
We are
Wow.
Oh my God,
Also,
amazing.
you know, usually what happens, right?
We should kiss.
Again, I can't say no to that.
That's only you to end this
I gotta say
episode.
no to views. The one reel that comes out of this episode.
No FIR for you.
Best episode of Filmy Game Show.
I think I talked about it.
Oh God.
Also, I must say, usually when this happens, when people score this high, right, the difference between the two contestants is a lot.
No.
Today, the difference is very little. It's
That's
literally
so
just a
cool.
10-point difference.
So cool.
Okay? It is literally at how this game went. Okay? It is
Yeah.
anyone's game.
It is true.
Okay? 0 points, of course, is the audience. Huge round of applause, but an amazing audience. Amjad fucking killed it in the last
yes,
one.
yes.
Fucking amazing.
Very good, very good.
Coming in second place with 100 points, guys. 100 points is Uruj Ashfaq. Very cool. Very well done. Very well done.
Yeah.
And being crowned
Oh yeah.
the biggest Bollywood Begum with 110 points, Sumaira Sheikh!
We share this.
No.
Amazing.
This was so good. I had so much
This
fun.
is amazing.
Acceptance
speech.
Acceptance.
Nice.
If I genuinely, okay, I've done this show like 4 times
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
and each time I had a lot of fun.
Thank
but
you so
today, it was. But today I had so much fun.
This is the best, dude.
बहुत मजा आया.
Man,
बहुत
thank you
ज़्यादा.
so much. You guys are amazing.
Thank
you
you.
again for doing
Thank
this.
you so much.
Uruj, losing acceptance speech or something?
No, this is so great,
It's
dude.
not,
yeah.
yeah.
And actually, it helps that you got Sumaira because
Yes.
you know I am secretly a little competitive.
Yeah, sure.
And I feel bad, so I feel less bad
Yes,
losing
it's
to
okay.
her. But I still feel bad.
Yeah, I get it.
but
Yeah.
less.
As long as it
Yeah.
stays in
Yeah.
In the community.
In the okay, हमारे com में, as long as it stays in the same com.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
It's us.
Yeah,
We win it.
Okay, great. Again, thank you, Uruj.
Thank
you,
you.
Sumaira, for
Thank you
one of
so
the best
much.
episodes we've had up till
Yay.
now. And everyone would agree. Fucking it.
Thanks so much.
Before we end, any plugs? Anything you guys would like to promote?
yeah, actually, yes. I am.
This episode will come in about 2 or 3 weeks.
In 2 or 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay, then I will be at Melbourne Comedy Festival.
Yes!
Yay! So
Yeah.
please come to watch.
Yeah.
Guys,
So-
come to Melbourne.
Come to me.
Okay, and absolutely follow them on
On
Instagram
social
for all the
media,
live shows.
yes.
You have any
Sumaira?
live shows? You wanna-
I in 2-3 weeks if it's coming, then Choti Didi, Badi Didi, Choti Didi is going to be in Surat, and
Whoa.
we're doing a big seater for the first time.
Wow, very
Yes.
good. Congratulations.
Yes, it's
Okay.
120 seater. Surat,
Wow,
come out.
huge, amazing.
Sejal Bhatt, Sumaira Sheikh.
Yes.
Badi Didi,
So cool.
Choti Didi.
That
Very
is it.
cool. Again, absolutely follow them on Instagram, guys. They're both hilarious.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for tuning in. Huge round of applause for the audience again. Fucking A. Please come for the live shows. There's nothing like the live show. A lot of the wild shit we say has to be cut out because that's the nature of Indian comedy right now.
we made
Okay.
it out.
Yes.
Yeah.
It got cut out, but
We did it.
I can't keep all these vulgar things in the episode. Yes.
Vulgar things.
There was a would you rather question that got cut out also. You
And
know?
we chose to make out.
Correct. Would you rather make out with your contestant
Or not. We were like,
or not?
we will.
Yes.
We will. Easy. We will.
Please check out all my other shows: Pop Conversations, Penda Penda, Crickheads, The Internet Said So. Thank you so much, guys. See you again next week. Bye.
Bye.